Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. And guys, in this quick video, I'm going to show you how to generate social media ad copy for startups using ChatGPT. Let's get right into it. Effective ad copy is essential for startups to grab attention, communicate value, and drive conversions. When using ChatGPT, be sure to provide details about your project, target market, and the tone you want to use. For example, you could say, create engaging Facebook ad copy for a new eco-friendly water bottle targeting young adults. ChatGPT will craft persuasive and concise ad copy that highlights your product's benefits and encourages action. You can request multiple versions to test different headlines or call to actions. Always review the generated copy to ensure it aligns with your brand's voice and campaign goals. Using ChatGPT will always save you time and generate creative ideas that can improve your advertising results, especially when budgets are tight and every word counts. And that's it, guys. Now you've learned how to create powerful social media ad copy for startups quickly and effectively with ChatGPT. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.